Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're going to see me jump right into showing you guys how I achieve these knotless box braids. In the description, I will leave behind the products that I do use in the video. Okay, so if you know when you're starting out a knotless box braid, you want to start off with sectioning the hair off. Once you section the hair off, you go ahead and add your product that you're going to add. And then you'll start by putting the hair into 3 sections and slowly add the braiding hair into the 3 sections, as you can see here. So all of your braids should pretty much be the same size. So you need to make sure that you prep your hair prior to doing your client's hair, so that way it keeps the braiding process going, and also make sure that all of your braids are even, nice, neat, and size. Be sure to leave me a comment in the comment section on if you guys are feeling this hair color. It is so cute to me. I love this blonde. It doesn't really look like straight up and down 613. It kind of looks like an offish 613. But yeah, again, I will be leaving products in the description just in case you guys would like to purchase the same hair color.
Can braid your hair, and you can move your braids from this side to this side, back.
Would you say back and up?
Right after you get them done. Period.
Because they so cute.
Let them know, like, somewhere.
Fuck is that shit?